this video, we are unboxing the axle and CV joint puller. The bolts. The puller body. This tool is used for removing axle CV joints and wheel hub bearings. This puller applies even pressure to pull the axle and bearing out smoothly, preventing damage from hammering, such as bent axles, ruined bearings, or a cracked differential housing. Now, let's move on how to use the tool. First, take out the main body. Insert a bolt into each threaded hole on the body. This is what it looks like with all the bolts assembled. Then slide this opening hole over the CV joint you need to remove. Adjust the bolts to snug it down and lock it. This threaded hole on top is for installing a slide hammer puller. This tool is designed to be used with a slide hammer puller. The slide hammer puller. Line it up with the hole and insert it. Once the puller body is secured to the CV joint, use the slide hammer puller to pull the axle out.